Okay, I'm reading Don't Push the Button, written and narrated by Bill Cotter. This is my little niece Bella. She's 19 months old. I'm going to attempt to read to her. Bella, you ready? You ready? Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't touch the button. Seriously, don't even look at it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we gave it one push. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button a push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and I have polka dots. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of more times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost there. A few more times. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, that's much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe push it just a couple more times. The end.